our trip for the National Day is starting with a small convoy, taking an easy drive at Al-Faya Desert. Being in touch with animals and whatever else found in nature is the key for a kid to create memories that last forever. Al-Faya Desert Drive is not too long, and soon we are finding our way into Maliha fossil rocks. When it comes to magical, beautiful views, nothing compares to Maliha fossil rocks. This area has its own mix of geology that makes it very special. By the afternoon, we are heading to our camp spot for tonight, and it's not going to be an ordinary desert camp location. This location belongs to Sharjah, and it's one of the most pure remaining untouched piece of paradise. Such a magnificent place is never mentioned in any off-road guidebook and can be found only by spending time looking in Google satellite images. Tonight I'm gonna be cooking and my wife will be filming. I like her cooking, but I still believe my cooking is a little bit better. We got a little bit of meat mixed together with some vegetables and rice, and it's gonna be one delicious meal. Let's start with the potatoes. We just need to cut potatoes simply like cubes like this. Then we've got the carrots, chopped them in pieces like this. We add a little bit of sweet pepper in different colors just to make it look delicious and look beautiful. We cut it into cubes as well, the other way like this. We got one beautiful yellow sweet pepper. Then we go for the green one, same story. No delicious meal complete without onions to be cut in cubes as well, like this. Garlic is always a very delicious ingredient. This is how you smash the garlic like this, then it will come apart very easily. Keeping smashing. Right now I have a chef assistant. He's gonna help me with the we're gonna season the potatoes a little bit. We put these potatoes away. Now we add the onions and the garlic to the beef and we give them a little bit of mixing. Now we move everything to a larger pan and we add everything else, the potatoes, all the vegetables. We give them a little bit of mix. Now we add a little bit of spices like black pepper, salt, the most important, a bit of mixed peppers, just a little bit of curries. It's already smelling very good. We already have some rice, just plain white rice. So this is the final product. We have the beef with the vegetables and white rice, plain rice. Let me taste. Wow, fantastic. Very simple meal, very delicious with simple ingredients. Sometimes places like this make me speechless. It might be hard to know what to say or find the words, but I might say this. It's a sort of beautiful wonder world parallel to our actual urban city world that we live every day. It might be not far from where we live, even though not many people know about it, or it doesn't mean anything to most of the others, but means everything to me. And a four-wheel drive vehicle could be the perfect transporter between two of these worlds.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far.